Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various concepts and topics related to quantitative finance. The next concept is present value. Suppose I am supposed to make some payment, let us say some 5 lakh payment after 5 years. How much should I provide funds today so that I will be able to pay at the end of 5th year that 5 lakhs? So that value, what I'm calculating to be deposited today or to save it today, that is known as present value. So how much amount do we need now to provide payments later? This amount is called present value or the discounted value of the payments. Depending on the rate of interest prevailing in the market, I will calculate that. So for a single investment capital X in a deposit account, which pays a compound interest of I per annum for a period of n years, the accumulated value that we had already seen in compound interest topic, the accumulated value or the future value, capital A suffix small n will be an equal to x times. This x is nothing but your present value, or you can also call it as a principal amount, or the capital invested in the initial time is multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of n, which means this x, if I want to find out this present value, it is nothing but capital A suffix n divided by, I'm dividing both sides by 1 plus I to the power of n to get this. Here x is nothing but the principal value, present value. Now, in this case, this reciprocal of 1 plus I means 1 divided by 1 plus I is also called as small v. That means I can simply say present value of the accumulated value an is an into the discounting factor. This 1 by 1 plus I is known as discounting factor to the power of n. Because here we may notice there is a power n available. So it is discounting factor to the power of n. Here v is called the discounting factor. So in general, discounted present value of some amount C due at a time t or at a non-negative time t can be calculated as this, whatever C you want to pay at time t multiplied by the present value that is you are calculating the present value. It can be done by multiplying the amount what you are planning to pay at time t into the discounting factor to the power of whatever is the time period, power of t. Example, a question: an investor must make a payment of rupees 3,50,000 in 5 years time. Okay. The investor wishes to make provision for this payment by investing a single sum now in a deposit account that pays 10% per annum compound interest. How much should the initial investment should be? So let me choose. So what is given? Whatever I am planning to pay in the nearby future, that is 5 years time, that is given 3,50,000. So let me say, let our capital C is 3,50,000. That is given in 5 years of time. So our period is given as 5. The investor wishes to make provision for this payment. I want to find out the present value or initial investment. The initial investment is nothing but the present value. And we know it is C times V to the power of n, where V is 1 divided by 1 plus I, or it is nothing but the discount factor. So that is 1 divided by 1 plus, and the interest rate is given as 10% per annum compound interest. So this is 0.1. So that means this is 1 by 1.1. Now, we are supposed to find out what is v power n. So it is 1 by 1.1 to the power of 5. So let me calculate this. We get 0.62092. So that means this will become now 3,50,000 times 0.62092. Let us multiply that. So our present value becomes 217,322, and paise I can write it with the 2 digits. So that will be the present value for this particular question. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.